fantastic occasion for the club, you know, with a live broadcast from the ground. Obviously playing Premier opposition here at Canadian Road as well. It's going to be a big day for us. But it's massive, you know. It's not just great for the dressing room, the players, the board, all the hard work that goes in on the field, the supporters off the field, you know, the locality, the county.